This is a spider hole, and our friend Ed is in there. We're going to get him out with a piece of gum and string. My 5-year-old caught him about 30 minutes ago, and he was mad. Oh, there he is. Okay, here comes Ed. They usually stay on the string. There he goes. And that is how you go spider fishing, just like that. And then, yeah, get off there. Wait for him to go back down in their hole. Let go. There he goes. Right back down there. Maybe. Get in there, buddy. Go on. Let's maybe do. So y'all can see. There he goes. Right back down in there. And that's how you do spider fishing.